What's the matter?
I can't find the page.
Do you know what we could do?
No. What?
We could make a bookmark. What do you think?
That's a great idea. Melissa, what do we need?
We need some colored paper, scissors, and some felt tip pens. Okay, so the first thing to do is to fold one corner to make a triangle. Perfect. Then cut off the extra paper.
So now we've got a square.
That's right. And now the folding stage. First, turn it around so it's like a diamond shape. Now bring the bottom corner up and fold it to make a triangle. Then take the right-hand corner, bring it up and fold. Repeat on the other side. Open it back into a triangle and bring the top corner down and fold. Then bring the flap over and fold it under. Repeat on the other side.
Whoa, is it finished?
Yes, you made it!
I think it's missing something.
Really? What?
Much better.
Wow, it's scary.
The bats for the horror stories book,
The alien for the science fiction book, and the shark.
for the pirates book.
We hope you have fun making your own bookmarks.
Bye!
Remember, to make a bookmark, make a paper square. Fold the square. Decorate it. That's it. Now you can use your bookmark.